What's up, Ham Radio? Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, the Ham Radio Adventure Guy. Thanks for stopping by, your one stop for everything adventure radio. Today, we're doing another roadside SO50 rove in EM79, so stay tuned. K3FZH, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, EM79 roving.
Thank you very much. I haven't tried this for years. I thought I'd get on and give it a shot. Thank you very much.
You're quite welcome, buddy. Have a good day.
Papa Zulu November, Whiskey Oscar 3 uniform, Foxtrot November 00.
Whiskey Oscar 3 uniform, K8PZN, EM79 roving.
QSL from W3U 73.
Quebec 4, Papa Mike Delta, Echo Mike 96.
Kilo Quebec 4, Papa Mike Delta, Kilo Echo 8, Papa Zulu November, EM79 roving.
97 roving, I got your log, I love you. Same 30 for contact, same 30.
Thanks a lot, buddy, 73.
54 Ocean X-ray, Whiskey Oscar 3 uniform, Foxtrot November 00.
AHAWO3U, Echo Lima 95, 59.
QSL, you're 59 as well, Doug, 73.
73 is AJ.
Whiskey 4 Ocean X-ray, K8PZN, EM79 roving.
Quebec 4, Papa Mike Delta, Whiskey Oscar 3 uniform, Foxtrot November 00.
Foxtrot Mike 07, 73.
Whiskey Delta 4 Oscar X-ray Tango, handheld, Echo Lima.
WD4OXT, Whiskey 4 Ocean X-ray.
4 Oscar X-ray, good morning, thank you for the call back.
I'm in Echo Lima 95.
So, thank you.
Whiskey 4 Ocean X-ray, K8PZN, EM79 roving.
PZN, got it, Echo Lima 95.
Hey, thanks a lot, buddy. Good contact. Whiskey Delta 4 OXT, K8PZN, EM79 roving.
QSL for the roving station. This is Whiskey Delta 4 Oscar X-ray Tango, Echo Lima 98, Central Florida.
QSL, good contact from K8PZN. As expected, when I got behind those trees, I started losing everything, but I figured that. But anyway, great pass on the SO50 beside the road today. Satellites, having fun. If you like this video from Ham Radio Adventure Guy, click up here in the corner to watch another one. And while you're at it, click down here in the corner and subscribe. Make sure and follow us on all social media sites. And as always, thanks for sharing my adventure with me.